Today we'll be making Jamaican plantain punch. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients list I started out with but ended up making a few changes. So continue to watch to see what happened. Okay, so into a blender I had the oats, vanilla powdered milk, salted roasted peanuts, cow's milk, the dragon stout, vanilla flavoring, the ripe plantain, preferably overripe, is so much better. Now add the water, cover and blend until it is smooth. Yum, that is so tasty, but I'm gonna kick it up a notch. Okay, so I had 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, the remaining half of the ripe plantain, half more cup of quick oats, 1/4 cup of vanilla flavored powdered milk, another cup of water. Now cover and blend until smooth. Now add a little grated nutmeg. No, I'm not sure if I said that right, but guys, you get the idea. Now cover and give this a quick blend just to combine the nutmeg with the other ingredients. So this is the texture we are looking for. Total perfection. Go ahead and serve or leave it in the refrigerator until ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Chat with me by leaving a comment. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.